Alright, before we go outside and do the review for this, just want to say I was looking at stuff. I was trying to see if I could find the channel because I didn't have any videos on it yet. I couldn't find it, but I can now. Well, you should be able to since I have a video. And there's one that was almost exactly. What is that? I don't like it. It was ZA, and they spelled Airsoft wrong. It was like ARI. So I don't know, but they spelled it wrong. So I guess I still got to choose the name I wanted. Alright, let's go on to the review of the URX HK, HK, I can't remember what it's called. I'll look it up. USP. Back to the review, so here it is. It's has a nice weight to it. It's made out of polymer, so is the magazine. I think it's polymer. Yeah, and I have in the CO2. Not doing this very well. I hope to do it better than my other one. It holds on 16 rounds. It's like 360 feet per second, and I believe I said it has a good weight. Yeah, so overall it's a good gun. It's accurate, mostly. Well, not mostly. It is pretty much accurate. It's non-BlowBack. Also, forgot to mention that. And it has a lot of trademarks on it. I'll show you those. There's one here and here. Other side. Under here, there's a serial number. There's the Cal 6mm BBs, and then there's, I don't know if you can see, but this is the HK USP here. And there's a bunch of warning stuff. And then this top part here, up there, still not sure you can see, it says HK. And yeah. Oh, drop the magazine. And then on the magazine, it says V2 down there, and this is 6.0mm caliber. And yeah. That's about it about the gun, mostly. I already talked a lot about it. Right now, the CO2 cartridge is, I don't know how full it is, because I used it a bit. I didn't want to just, like, waste a cartridge. I also have another one with me, so it starts shooting low. Then I'll switch it. And yeah, I'm pretty sure I said everything. I said 16 rounds, right? Yeah. I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know what I'm doing. Well, I know what I'm doing, but I don't know what I'm doing. And yeah, let's get to the shooting test. Hope you can see, but down there's 3 targets on a thing, and I don't know how far away I am. I didn't calculate it. But I'll shoot the one all the way to the left. And as you see when we move over there, they are upside down. I didn't think about it when I got them, but it made it easier for me to put them up. So let's see. Alright, that was it. Yeah, so I was around 16. No, that was 16 rounds, and I also forgot to mention it has kind of a longer trigger pull, but it's non-BlowBack, so most do. You can't see me, all of me. Alright, let's go look at it. Alright, here's the target. It is a pistol, so it's not 100% accurate. But if this was the size of a person, it would be a lot bigger. Also, I mean, it would be a lot easier to hit a person because a person's bigger. And yeah, that right here sort of touched the black center, and there's one right here. I'm not sure if you can see. And yeah, that was it for that. I'm gonna move back a bit more, and we'll see how that works. So I decided to finish up the CO2 cartridge, and I thought about that I didn't say how to take it out. So you get this tool with it. And yeah, and then at the bottom here, I just start taking it out. You twist it out. You do it in the hands down. Then you can easily slide it out. I really still don't know what I said earlier. This one here is a Swiss Arms one, which I got off Airsplat, 50 cents for one, which is one of the best deals get for one, and it works fine. It works pretty good. I'll link for that. And also for magazines, it's hard to find extra ones, so I'll just try to put a link for that. I'll get as close as I can. And yeah, I'll show you to put it back in a sec. Alright, putting it back in. So here's the cartridge, a full one, and you slide it into the bottom, that down. You get the top, Then you can screw it in. You hear a small hiss, and there you go. And also, I'm sorry the video sounds kind of random and repetitive, but I also thought of something else. Sometimes like when you get rarely, I haven't gotten in this, but you can sometimes like get something in the spring down here. There's this little area, and there's a screw here. I'm pretty sure that's what you do to get it out. Alright, let's go on to the next shooting stuff. Alright, now we'll be shooting from about the distance of the camera, still don't know what the distance is. And I'll be shooting at the middle target. Whoa, that had recoil. You couldn't see it, but that did. I didn't remember it having recoil, but that first shot had a lot. Not a lot, but a good amount. The first 3 shots did. Oh, that was it. I feel like I missed a lot. Let's go look at it. Alright, there you can see a lot of it there, I guess. There's none on the black spot, and it's looking less accurate now. But still, to a size, if it's a size of a person, it would be more accurate. I also hit that target once, it looks like. It also looked like it was shooting left a lot for me, so I think a lot of times I'm not looking at the camera, so I'm probably like looking like whew. But yeah, it's an airplane. I see it. There it is. Okay. Yep. Let's get back to the review, and I'll go shoot further back. We'll see how accurate that distance is. And I still don't know how far away it is, so. Alright, now I'm going further back. It's like 4 yards behind the camera. So I'm going all the way to the right. Spread up a bit at the end, and I think I might have hit the target to the left a bit. We'll see. Alright, now looking at the target, it was more accurate than I thought it would. I mean, as in I hit it more than I thought. That was still from the last one, but still. I don't know what I said, but still. It looks like a couple shots hit here, one hit here, one here, up there, and a bit on the corner. I don't even know how much I was filming that, but still. Remember, human is bigger, but it still is pretty accurate. Oh, I don't know if I pointed, but I actually got one in the black there. And yeah, let's go finish it up. And now I'm finishing it up. As you can see, the door is open, but nobody cares. But yeah, I also forgot to mention I use 0.2 gram BBs. So as you know, the heavier it is, the better, well, the more accurate probably be. So yeah. Alright, so the gun cost about, I got it for like 43, now it's like 45, so not much. I think it's probably worth its price. And also, this isn't originally mine. I did get my own, except my friend accidentally switched, and he switched mine with his friends, who has the same one. So apparently he's not good at did I say like good? I don't know. Let's say I don't. Well, he's not good at telling whose gun is whose. Oh, but yeah, I could tell because there's like a piece of gum on part of it, and at the top of it was a bit more scratched up, and the top of it was like on the orange was a black spot. You can see. Yeah. I don't know. I was originally going to wait until I get it back, but it looks like it'll take a while, so. Yeah, so back to the prices. Like I said, it's like 45 now. There's tons of promotional codes on Airsplat, which I got it off of. I'll put everything. We'll put the link to the gun, the CO2, and I'll try to find the magazines. They have them in metal and plastic, as in polymer plastic. But yeah, I'm pretty sure I showed you everything. Oh yeah, it's also the fixed standard iron sights. And also, this isn't loaded, right? No. And when you shoot it, actually I can just do this. When you shoot, that does come back, but that's pretty much it. I think that's it. I'm sure it sounded really repetitive and random. I've said that. See, it's repetitive. And yes, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Probably do more in the future, and I hope they'll be better. That's still, And it's probably better than my first one. The first one, it could, like, that was on my original channel, wasn't that good at all. But it had good amount of views, not a lot, but it was like, it's less than 1,000, it was a couple hundred. And, yeah. I don't know what else to say. So, yes, I don't know if I said anything, so subscribe so you don't miss out on more. And, yeah, thanks for watching. Again. And like, comment, whatever. Yeah, goodbye. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Not turning on.